In this video, I'll show you how to use encrypted notes to store sensitive client info safely. If you're dealing with private information and need a secure, simple solution, this quick 3-minute tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. Encrypted notes are one of the easiest ways to keep client information protected. By adding encryption, you're ensuring that only authorized individuals with the decryption key can access the data. This makes it ideal for storing things like contact details, account numbers, and any other confidential information. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process of how to use encrypted notes effectively. First, pick a reliable encrypted notes app. I've tried most of the popular options, and trust me, not all of them offer the same level of security. The software we'll be using today is one of the best for the job. I'll link a free trial for this software in the description below, exclusive to my viewers. You won't want to miss that. Once you've chosen your software, download and install it. It should take just a few minutes. The software will prompt you to set up a master password or PIN. This is crucial because it's the key to unlocking all your encrypted notes. Make sure your password is strong and unique. This is the first line of defense for keeping your data secure. Now, open the software and create a new note. You'll see an option to encrypt it. Select it. Encryption is generally done using strong AES 256 encryption, which is virtually impossible to crack without the correct key. If the software you're using doesn't automatically encrypt notes, you'll need to manually set up the encryption for each note. But don't worry, it's all straightforward. Once your note is encrypted, it's safe. No one can read the content without the password or decryption key. You can store any type of sensitive info, whether that's credit card details, client contracts, or anything else that needs extra protection. If you need to update the note, simply decrypt it, make your changes, and then re-encrypt it before saving. Another benefit of encrypted notes is the ability to sync across devices. With most encryption apps, once your notes are encrypted, they can be securely backed up and accessed on any of your devices. This is perfect for when you're working from multiple locations or need to access your notes on the go. Finally, let's talk about regular backups. While encryption does protect your data, it's always a good idea to back up your notes regularly. The software we're using makes this easy by allowing you to encrypt backups of your notes to an external drive or cloud storage. Before we wrap up, here's your key takeaway. Using encrypted notes for sensitive client info is a simple yet powerful way to ensure security. Choose a secure app, set a strong password, encrypt your notes, and regularly back up your data. That's all it takes to keep your client information safe from unauthorized access. And don't forget, take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we use today in the description below. It's a limited offer just for my viewers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.